Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roma and today we are gonna do a simple, basic, everyday look for our makeup tutorial. I just wanted something that you can use every day of 2021 if you want to. It's really simple. Would take you actually like less than 5 minutes to do, which is awesome. But I did want to just start with telling you a little bit about skincare. Skincare is super important. So as we enter into 2021 and we are looking at coming out of our COVID cocoon and becoming the butterfly again, I just want to let you know that I think that skincare is the most important part of makeup application in any makeup tutorial because it's really where the foundation lies. This month I am hosting a Facebook event. It's 1 hour long. On January 21st at 8:30 p.m. where we're going to talk about the basics of skincare so you can learn more about why it's important, what would work best for you, what to look for in your skincare products, all of those wonderful things. So I really hope you can join me here. I'll put the link in the description so that you can get there. Okay, so let's just keep things simple for our makeup look today. We're going to forget the drama. And we are going to start with these fabulous liquid eyeshadows. Who's used liquid eyeshadows before? Do you love them? I love them. These are super simple to use. We have 4 colors. Today I'm going to be using this one, which is called Light Beam, and this one, which is called Meteor Shower, to give a super easy, delicate, neutral, basic look. Okay, so this is how easy that we are going to use them. So they come with these little applicators, which are super simple. And this is going to, you can use this with the applicator right on your eye. I'm actually just going to put some on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use our cream color brush because we do have a specific brush for this. So really simple. You could even just use the applicator in your finger. You don't even need to look for brushes, which is amazing, right? Who always knows where their brushes are? Not always, so we'll keep it simple. Now they do, the color does tend to dry very quickly, so make sure that if you're doing something that requires transferring, that you do it fairly quickly. So the first color, the Light Beam color, you can see they've got a lot of shimmer in them, which is really fun. The first color I just did all over, so it was a complete wash from the lash line all the way up to the eyebrow. Super simple. Then we are going to take Meteor Shower, which is just it's more of a kind of a taupey color. And today, for our super easy everyday look, I'm just gonna do this on the lid itself. So from the lashes kind of up to the crease. Now it doesn't have a lot of color, it's just super neutral. That's it. That is seriously it for our eyeshadow today. We're gonna do some mascara, and today I'm gonna use our Lash Love Lengthening. This is really cool. It's got a special brush in it, and the formula is designed to make your lashes look longer, which is quite interesting. I talked to a customer yesterday, and she said that this mascara is amazing. Other mascaras, even if you get the same brush, don't work the same, but this one actually lengthens her lashes and straightens them out. So she's got naturally curly lashes. So it makes them appear longer. She loves it. So we're even going to, for our basic everyday look, we're going to forego the eyeliner. Just 2 liquid shadows and boom, some mascara. Super simple. Now we're going to keep our blush simple as well, where you can ramp it up if you need to. But today I am using my favorite. It is called Desert Rose. And it's really basic. So the idea behind a blush color, if you're picking just one blush color to work with every day, is to pick something that reflects your natural blushing tone. So when I blush or after a run and my cheeks are flushed, this is the color that kind of comes up. So that's the color that I'm going to use for my blush. And we're just going to do circle along the apple of your cheek and up along your cheekbone. I love how when you turn you can really see that shimmer in the eyes. That's fun. Take your color right up into your hairline so you don't look like you've lost you have a abrupt line there. Super simple. And then today, instead of lipstick, we're gonna go with a lip gloss. So this is lip gloss, neutral color again. This is actually a matte gloss, which is really great. It's called Tawny Nude. Just gonna use an applicator. Mary Kay lip glosses are awesome because they don't feel sticky or heavy. And they're actually moisturizers in there to help your lips, especially in wintertime when the air sucks the moisture from your body. Again, I picked a color very close to the natural color of my lips. Just gives them a bit of shine, that's it. So that's it. That is it for our super easy, everyday, basic makeup look. Seriously, less than 5 minutes. I talked for another minute and a half. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for joining me today. I will talk to you soon.